Welcome, fellow travelers. This is Graham, and today we're in Nanaimo, British Columbia. And of course, while we're here, we have to try the treat of the same name. The Nanaimo Bar is a famous no-bake dessert that's named after the city of Nanaimo, British Columbia. The bar has 3 layers, including a base layer which contains wafer, nuts, and coconut crumbs, a middle layer of custard icing, and a layer of chocolate ganache on top. The earliest confirmed copy of this recipe using the name Nanaimo Bars appeared in Edith Adams' prize cookbook from 1953. But the recipe's been around for a while. A recipe using the same ingredients is found in the Women's Auxiliary Cookbook from 1952. But here they're referred to simply as a chocolate square or a chocolate slice. The origins of the bar dates much further back, with a similar chocolate fridge cake dating even prior to the 1930s. The Nanaimo Bar gained further recognition as a Canadian treat when it was featured in Expo 86 in Vancouver, British Columbia, and has even been featured on a postage stamp as part of Canada Post's Sweet Canada collection. Tourism Nanaimo offers a Nanaimo Bar Trail brochure, which helps visitors select from Nanaimo Bar-inspired treats at 39 different stops around the Nanaimo area. In addition to the classic Nanaimo Bar, you can also find Nanaimo Bar milkshakes, ice cream, cheesecakes, cupcakes, waffles, specialty drinks, and more. First off, we're in downtown Nanaimo at Pirate Chips, where you can try their very own creation, a deep-fried Nanaimo bar. Stepping inside Pirate Chips, you're surrounded by a bounty of pirate-themed decorations. It's a great place to try some delicious treats, including deep-fried chocolate bars, as well as their famous deep-fried Nanaimo bar, which was featured on an episode of The Dragon's Den.
This is the Dr. Pepper pulled pork sandwich. I like that. It's tasty. Sweet. And here it is. This is the deep fried Nanaimo bar. Let's break into that guy. There you go. You can see it right inside that coating. We've got lots of ice cream and whipped cream there. Let's give it a taste. That's nice. So there it is, the deep fried Nanaimo bar. What a great way to start off on our Nanaimo Bar Trail. Let's head off to our next destination.
Longwood Brewing in Nanaimo may be better known for brewing up some delicious craft beers. But while you're at the restaurant, you can enjoy a slice of Nanaimo Bar cheesecake for dessert.
You did that to me. I didn't mean to.
Just about every shop in the Nanaimo area will have its take on the classic Nanaimo Bar. Well, in Coombs, BC, we stopped at the Billy Gruff Creamery, right next to the famous Goats on a Roof market. Official Goats on a Roof Nanaimo Bar. You got chocolate, coconut in the bottom, and some cream filling. That's a Nanaimo Bar. I think my favorite part of the Nanaimo Bar is the middle. And I like the chocolate on top. I'm not too much of a coconut fan. Nanaimo Bars is one of the only things that I'll actually eat coconut in because it's blended in with the bottom. And when you take a bite, you get an overall flavor. It just doesn't taste just like coconut. So. And to finish it off, we're at the BOCCA Cafe, where they've got a selection of traditional and unique Nanaimo Bar flavors. Today's treats, we've got a salted caramel Nanaimo Bar, a strawberry white chocolate Nanaimo Bar,
and a raspberry Nanaimo bar. It's a good twist on the original Nanaimo Bar recipe. Thanks for joining us on the Nanaimo Bar Trail. Hope to see you again on our next adventure. And until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.